Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a simple yet useful shortcut in Windows that lets you quickly access all your installed apps. If you want to make navigating your computer easier, stay tuned. If you've ever wanted a fast way to see all the apps installed on your Windows computer, there's a quick method using the Run dialog. First, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the box, type in the following command: Shell Apps folder and hit Enter. Once you do that, a new window will pop up showing all the apps installed on your system. This includes both traditional desktop applications and modern Windows Store apps, also known as Universal Windows Platform apps. What's great about this is that it's not just a list. You can also interact with these apps directly. For example, you can drag them to your Start menu or taskbar for easier access, or even right-click to pin them to your desktop. This feature is really helpful if you're looking for a specific app but can't find it through the Start menu, or if you prefer to launch apps from one place. It gives you an organized way to access everything without having to dig through different menus or settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.